Hello everyone, in this video I'm sharing tutorial for this very Pinteresty flower bag charm. You can also use it as a keychain. It's a very quick and fun project to make and you can play around with different color combinations. So let's get started. So here I'm using a 4-ply yarn and a 3.5 mm hook. So firstly we are going to make a magic circle. And now we are going to make 6 single crochets in this magic circle. So this is my first single crochet. Now second, third, fourth, fifth, and lastly the sixth. After completing 6 single crochets, we are going to close this magic circle. So pull the thread and close this magic circle. After that, make a slip stitch in the first stitch to close this round. So insert your hook in the first single crochet that we made and make a slip stitch. Now cut the yarn and pull out the thread. And now we'll make petals of the flower. So for making the petals, I'm using 2 different colors of yarn. You can choose the color according to your color preference. And both of these yarn are 4-ply yarn. Now take your circle and insert your hook in any of the stitch. Grab your new yarn and now pull it out. And now chain 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now we are going to make a slip stitch into the same stitch where we just attached the new yarn. So insert your hook in the same stitch and make a slip stitch. So our first petal is ready. And now insert your hook in the next stitch and make a single crochet. And now we are going to make 12 chains once again. So this is the pattern for each petals. We have 6 stitches in this circle and we need to make 6 petals, 1 petal in each stitch. So chain 12, insert your hook in the same stitch, make a slip stitch, and then again in the next stitch we are going to make a single crochet, chain 12, and then keep repeating this pattern until you get 6 petals. So you have completed the second petal, and now again for the third petal I'm going to the third stitch and then I'm gonna make a single crochet and then again chain 12. Here I've completed making 5 petals and now I'm gonna work for the 6th one. So after making the slip stitch in the same stitch, go to the next stitch and make a single crochet and now chain 12 once again. After making 12 chains, we are going to insert the hook in the same stitch and make a slip stitch. Now cut the yarn, insert your hook in this loop and take the yarn and pull it out to make a knot. And now we are going to hide all these loose threads at the back. So firstly, tie a knot to secure it. And after making the knot, we are going to hide these loose threads at the back side of the flower. So thread your needle and insert your needle in random stitches like this to hide the tail. Repeat it 2 to 3 times and now cut off the yarn. Now similarly we are going to hide all these loose threads at the back side of the flower. So here I have weaved in all the loose threads at the back side of the flower, and now we are going to make the center part of the flower. To make the center part of the flower, firstly we need to make a slip knot. And now we are going to chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then keep making chains until you get 25 chains. Here I have completed making 25 chains. Now cut off the yarn. And with this chain we are going to make a spiral shape. So start rolling it in a spiral shape like this. Don't worry about this thread at both the ends, we are going to cut it off. Like this we are going to give it a spiral shape, and these both ends we are going to cut and stick it at the back side. And lastly we are going to stick this spiral shape in the center of this flower. So I am putting some glue to stick this. You can use any glue that's available to you. And now stick this spiral shape in the center of the flower like this. I'm also putting a little bit of glue at the back side to fix all the loose threads and the knots that we made. Just a little bit. And now you can make a strap like this if you want to use it as a back charm, or you can use it as a keychain by adding a keychain to this like this. So if you want to have it as a back charm, then I'm going to show you how to make this chain. So we'll be adding the chain to the back side of the flower. This is the front and this is the back side. Here we'll start making chain. So insert your hook in any of the petal to the stitch which is closest to the circle like this, and then grab your yarn, pull it out and start making chains. I'm making 35 chains here. You can make the chain longer or shorter to the length that you want. And here I have completed making 35 chains, and this is the length. Now turn the flower at the back side and make sure that your chain doesn't get turned to the other side. Make it straight, and then we are going to make a slip stitch in the next petal. In the stitch of the next petal, insert your hook and now make a slip stitch. Now cut off the yarn and take this yarn through the loop to tie a knot. Now take the yarn at the back side and make a knot. Make 2 to 3 knots to secure it. Now cut off the yarn and put some glue at this knot at the back side to secure it nicely. Now stretch the petals like this to give it a clean look. And your flower charm is ready. And your very Pinteresty flower bag charm is ready. I hope this was easy to follow, and if you try making this, then tag me. My Instagram handle is mentioned below in the description box. Also, if you have any queries, please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.